Good morning once again. So now we are going to discuss about the topic advanced filter. As we can see, advanced filter, it is used to filter data on multiple fields using specified criteria, right? Means we need to specify the criteria first and we can filter the data on multiple fields. Next thing is to copy the filter record to a different location. We have the provision to display all the filter records to a different location, and as well as we can find the unique records. Fine, but before that we need to recall filtering data one more time. It's a feature through which we are able to see only those records that we want to see, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily. So have a look on the Excel. In the Excel file, if I apply filter, whether using under data tab and filter option or from home tab and here filter option, we can use any one of them, and after applying filter we have, suppose these two I have selected and the data is filtered, and it can be unfiltered with the help of this clear button, right? Or we can filter it or unfilter it again by clicking on filter button, or further we have an option of clearing it from here itself, right? So this way we use filter. It's very simple. Now before using advanced filter, the first thing which we require is to have the criteria. So for making the criteria, I have selected all the fields, and with the help of control I will just drag it down only this much so that I can copy the same thing. Otherwise you can simply copy and paste, but we require only one, so I have considered this one, right? Now we need to go to advanced, then list range we need to select, but as the data is already entered, so it has selected the list range. But suppose if it is not selected, we need to select the range. This is list range. Next thing is criteria. Before specifying the criteria range, what we need to do, we need to specify that we want another location to display the result, and we need to specify the value also which we want here for the criteria. So presently I am pressing escape key so that I could specify what I want to filter out. So suppose here I write say 89, and in maths suppose I write 76. Fine. Now what I need to do, advanced, list range is mentioned, in the criteria range I need to select this range where I have specified the criteria that English and maths should have these marks, and then copy to another location means I need to specify another range where I want to display my answer. So suppose this one. Now press OK, and what I will observe that student Geeta is being found having 89 and 76 marks in English and maths respectively. This criteria can be changed as well. I can write here greater than 80, and here also I can write greater than 80. Fine. And now let's do it once again. We need to go to advanced. List range is already selected, criteria range is already selected, and location is already selected, but I would like to delete it first, and then I would like to choose a different location because already we have some result being displayed. So I am selecting this area, and now I need to press OK. So what I can observe here, I am having the data of these students who have secured 80 marks, greater than 80 marks in English as well as in maths. So you can observe here also we have more than 80 marks, and here also we have more than 80 marks. Thank you so much.